Hey there, lovely people. Have you ever found yourself wondering if someone likes you or not? You know, that feeling of uncertainty that can drive you crazy? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're going to dive into the world of mixed signals and hidden feelings. So, grab a snack, get comfy, and let's get started. Think about it, when you're interested in someone, it's like trying to solve a puzzle. You're trying to figure out what they're thinking, what they want, and how they feel about you. It's like, do they like me? Do they not like me? The thing is, people can be ambiguous, and their feelings can be hidden. It's like trying to crack a code. So, what are some signs that someone might be fighting their feelings for you? Sign number 1. Avoiding emotional intimacy. Well, one big one is that they tend to avoid emotional intimacy. It's like, they're scared to get too close, to open up, or to have deep conversations. They might keep things light and superficial, avoiding any talk about emotions, past experiences, or future plans. It's like they're protecting themselves from getting too attached. Sign number 2. Using metaphorical language. Another sign is that they might use metaphorical language to express their feelings. It's like, they're trying to say something without actually saying it. They might make indirect comments or use humor to deflect from their true emotions. It's like they're trying to hide behind a mask of nonchalance. Sign number 3. Avoiding direct contact. Have you ever noticed someone who's always around, but never really talks to you directly? It's like, they're paying attention to everything you say, but they're too scared to engage with you one-on-one. They might talk to others around you, but not to you. It's like they're trying to keep their distance. Sign number 4. Putting on a facade of confidence. Some people might put on a brave face, trying to appear confident and desirable. They might boast about their accomplishments, trying to make themselves seem irresistible. But, behind that bravado, they might be struggling to keep their true feelings hidden. Sign number 5. Body language cues. Our bodies can betray us, even when we're trying to hide our feelings. So, pay attention to subtle smiles, fidgeting, or leaning towards you. These can be signs that someone is interested, even if they're not saying it out loud. Sign number 6. Hot and cold behavior. Someone who likes you might have a hard time not complimenting you, but it might not always be consistent. They might oscillate between warmth and distance, trying to push away their growing feelings or create barriers. Sign number 7. Seeking information about you. If someone is interested in you, they might try to gather information about you indirectly. They might ask mutual friends about you or try to find out what's going on in your life. It's like they're trying to get closer to you without actually talking to you. So, there you have it, 7 signs that someone might be fighting their feelings for you. Remember, love is a complex journey, but by paying attention to these hints and trusting your instincts, you can navigate it with confidence. Let us know in the comments if any of these signs resonate with your own experiences.